In this video, I will show you how to play Emoji Pong in Instagram. Emoji Pong is a simple game that you can enjoy with your friends. It uses emojis to create a ping-pong-style game right in your chat. You don't need any special apps or tools. All you need is your smartphone and an Instagram account. First things first, open up the Instagram app on your device. Once you're on the main feed, tap on the direct messages icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Now it's time to select the person you want to challenge in Emoji Pong. Scroll through your messages and tap on their name to open up a chat. In this chat, send them any emoji of your choice. After sending your emoji, tap on that specific emoji within the chat. This action will initiate the Emoji Pong game. Once you've started, you'll see a gameplay interface where an emoji bounces around. At the top of your screen, you'll notice a score counter displaying how many times you've successfully hit that emoji. Your friend can join in too, they just need to tap on that same emoji after you've initiated the game. Their score will also appear at the top of their screen, allowing for some friendly competition. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.